Today we are going to fix actually this is my laptop, and we are going to install this SSD in my old Lenovo E49 PC. This is my laptop and it is pretty old now, and the hard disk got very slow, so I'm going to install this SSD to make the boot speed and overall speed faster in my laptop. So we are gonna need, of course, the SSD and the laptop and a casing for second HDD caddy. That's what we are gonna need, and let's install. First step is to install it here like this. You've got the port here and we have to install the SSD in the caddy like this, and pull it here. As you can see, it is now fit, and now we have to screw these screws in these for 1, 2, 3 and 4 ports with this screwdriver. So let's install it. Now the work is done here, and this body is in the, I fitted the screws in the required holes, and the SSD is now fixed here. Now we have to take out the CD player from here and install this caddy on this side. So to take out this caddy, we need to take out this screw and pull it out. So let's do this. Screw is screwed. Now I need to pull this out. As you can see, it came out very easily. Now we need to fix this lock here, not here actually, here we need to fix this lock here, and take this bezel or outer shell out and fix it here. Okay, let's do this.
Goodbye.
As you can see, I've shifted this lock from here to the caddy. Now we need to shift this thing from here to here, the outer shell. Let's do it. I've taken this part out from here by pulling it apart. Now I'm going to put this here. So this is going to be this way. This is going to be this way. So the drive will install like this. Okay, so let's do it. So I've installed somehow this part here. When pulling out, it had 3 locks, and one of the locks got broken. So I had to fix this with Fevikwik. I have to fix this part, this part of it with Fevikwik, and the other 2 locks are working. So I just need to now put this thing here and screw this. Let's do this then. Just remove the screw and take out this inside out. Now putting it in here like this, it should go inside. As you can see, it got here like nice and tidy. So I just need to screw this here, and this part the hardware installing will be done. Now the SSD is installed and I just need to boot it up, and little just needs little tweaks in software. So let's do this. So I've completed the hardware installation. As you can see, the carry is installed here and the screw is properly screwed. So I just need now to boot the PC. I've also installed the battery, so now booting. It will take some time, so let's just fast forward it. Now as you can see, it is loading. It is the loading screen, so let it load. So now the desktop is loaded, desktop screen, sorry. So now as we can see, it takes pretty much time to load everything, and when you go here, let's check what we have. We do not have any extra drives here, right? So we need to plug in the drive. We need to go to my devices, then plug in the drive here. So first you have to go to here. So in Windows 10, to search our device manager, we need to go here and search device, and as you can see, we can have the device manager. So open it. Maybe it will take some time. So here